Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing how to create a flowchart for inputting an array based on test cases and how to find a key present in the provided array and then printing if and else statement. So first, we'll just write a heading that is going to be flowchart. So how do we start? We start by creating a rectangle sided oval box in which we write start. That means the initialization of the code. Alright, the second step is to declare variables. For that, we use a rectangle box this big because we are going to declare very small but various variables. Just write declare. Declare. Suppose first we have to declare for test cases, so we'll just denote it by T. Second, second will be the array size. Third will be a key, and fourth will be array itself. Let us give it ARR and size about 100 blocks. That's it, and we are done. Now, first task is to provide input size for test case. So we are gonna be using a site. This is, I guess, parallelogram box. So what we are going to write is we are going to write read t first because we have to provide number of test cases required. After reading t, what we can do is we can write a conditional box. For condition box, what we exactly do is we make like this, a diamond shaped box. That's it. Now we have to decrement the test cases. For that, what we exactly do is t minus minus and just a small question mark. That's it. Now there will be two conditions that can be followed. First is going to be false and second is going to be true. All right, just a moment, guys. All right, now let us go again. Now if for example, if we have like a test case 0, then it will fall in the false condition. Otherwise, if it is 1 2 3, it will follow the true condition. Now what we can do is we have to input the array size. Let's write read n. That's it. After reading the input size for array, what we are going to do is we are going to input array elements. For that, we require a for loop because array follows a particular task of using for loop. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to create a rectangular or parallel lines and then a two-sided close triangle. That means a 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexagon. All right. Now for this, what you exactly write is a for and then for I from 0 to n minus 1. That's it. That's what you write. And then you move on, then you have to read ARRI. Read ARRI. That's it. After reading, what you have to do is you have to close this for loop by making a small circle and then use these denoting lines to terminate. It is a representation of showcasing that for loop has worked from this to this point. That's it. Now let us move down. Just a second, guys. Alright, now since we have inserted the array inputs, what next can we do is to input an key. Since we have already declared the key at the top in the declaration box, we have to just write this box and just write read key. That's it. Then let us move on. Now we have to declare two variables that are going to be found and position. Declare first is going to be position, that is denoted by POS, that will be assigned to -1, and second is found, that is going to be a boolean type which will be assigned to false. That's it. Now let us move on. Now since we have already declared the variables, now what we are going to do is we are going to check if the key is present in the in the given array. We are going to use again a hexagon for loop, that is going to be like this and this. Just use for statement for I from 0 to n minus 1. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to use a conditional loop. Alright, just a second, guys. That's it. Now, what can this condition box state is if key is key equal ARRI question mark. That means is key any the key that is provided by the user is present in the given ARR. Now there can be two possibilities, that is going to be true and false. If true, then you write it like this: found equals to true, assigned to true, I mean assigned, not equal. Or otherwise we'll just create a connector over here, that is going to be a for right now. If the position of if we have found the condition is true, then what we can do is we have to also find the position. We will again create this rectangle box and assign POS equals to I plus 1. This is for storing one based index. Then create a break. Break is created using condition, same process. Just write break and then a small circle for terminating the for loop. How? This. That's it. Not, oh, I'm so sorry. This point. That's it. So we have done our first course of action. Now what we are going to do is we are going to print whether the condition is met or not. In order to achieve that, what we are going to use is going to again use a condition box. This come this side, just write this is found. Why found? Because found is storing the presence of condition that is true or false for right now. Now there can be two condition again, that is going to be true and again false. It is mandatory to write whether true or false, otherwise it will create uh, you know confusion whether which of the following is going to be a present or false condition. Now what we have to do is we have to print. For print we have again this parallelogram. Alright, and for false condition we have this again same, because we have to only print the statement. Just write print present, and here print invalid. It is up to you what you have to write. That's it. Now we are going to terminate. For terminating, what we use is again that oval sided box and just write stop. Just use this arrow to terminate over there. That's it. Now what we are left with is these connectors. Alright, first you come to this point where we left. Yes, we have to also terminate the while condition. Just a moment, guys. This will fall. Just wait. We have to use another side for false condition in while. For t minus minus. For t minus minus, it will be from this side. From break. I'm so sorry for my terrible outline skills, but since it's a desktop based whiteboard, I cannot help with that. So as you can see, break will work from this side. You have to just denote it like this arrow, that it has been terminated. Alright, now what you have to do is you have to check. Maybe it would be better off for me to write from here. These are connectors that you can display, because if it is found false it will directly terminate. Alright, well, it would be better off to write a break statement over here. Let me just erase. So sorry guys, I'm sorry for disturbing. Just write a break over here. This is a condition block again, and we will denote this line from here. Alright, so we have found like this. That's it. As you can see, we have done. Now last, we have to stop, make it stop. Just denote it like this, an oval sided face, and stop. That's it. Now let us check what we have created. Alright, you have to start, then declare, then read test cases, then use a while conditional block for uh, identifying test cases. So t minus minus, then read number of array size, then insert array inputs, then read key from the user, then declare position and found, and then again use the loop for checking if the key is present in the ARR or not, then position, then break. Afterward is found, if present then true, present, otherwise false, invalid, then break, then stop. This is how you actually construct a flowchart in computer science and engineering, a proper. So this is a this is this flowchart represents a main flowchart. It is not a user defined one. In our upcoming videos, we will talk how to create a user defined flowchart. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video.